Car, Karen. Keren.
It brings a day.
Everyone's up right now except for Jackson, so we're about to go wake him up right now. Santa came! Santa came! Santa came! Santa came!
Did he eat the cookies?
Yes, they're gone.
Oh my goodness.
No, they dropped on the floor.
Twice.
Hey, listen, y'all want to hear something funny?
Hey guys, morning.
Merry Christmas!
Hey everyone. Merry Christmas. We're gonna go get Jackson real quick.
Say Merry Christmas!
Good morning, Jackson. Say hi. Good morning, buddy. You want to open presents, Jackson?
Going down? Yeah. Toys!
Yeah. Wait, Jackson.
Jackson, say Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
I'll show you guys. Yeah, sure. Oh, Karen's older than you. What's that?
They finessed me.
No, it's Karen, you're a really good looking Santa Claus. Nice. She doesn't already have one, does she? Yeah. She does? Return it. Give it back. Give it back. Give it back. She's gonna get it off.
Tell it, I want it so bad.
Alright, so we're at my mom's. We're gonna open presents here. Ooh, look at all these presents.
Mommy to everybody, want mommy to Whoa! Is that for her landing?
Hey.
There's a picture from us from a long time ago, and this is how it's going down.
Oh. What is this? It's Britney Spears, baby. Thank you. Thank you so much. I love her. This is for me?
Yes.
Whoa. Oh my goodness. This is for my drone. Yeah, football.
And then Karen, you got yours, right?
Heck yeah. Oh, you got the new one.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
All right, we're finally back at our house, so now you can open your Christmas presents! Jackson, look, he doesn't care about them. All he wants is this workshop. So this is one of the presents, his little workshop bench. You like it?
Nay, go play.
I love it. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Kiss. Kiss, mommy. Mwah. So I color coordinated the presents. These are Jackson's, and these are Landon's, and then the black ones are me and Khoa's. Are you ready?
Are we opening them?
We're opening them. Nene, look, you got your first present. It's a remote, because you love our remote. Oh, you want to see what this one is? They're very wondering what this one is. Jackson, can you open this? You open this for mommy? Jackson, what is that? Whip it, rip it. Oh. Okay. Rip it. Open it up. You want to open it up? He said, open this up. Open it up?
Yeah.
Jackson, what is it? What are those? Blocks?
Oh, cool. Say, woo!
Like this.
Honey.
Blocks. Jackson, what is this? What? Is this Play-Doh?
We're gonna put a dab of this on everything.
You got one sock on. You guys to get you the other ones.
This my shit. All the girls dump your feet like this.
Oh.
Some megas.
It's delicious. Well, thank you guys for anything coming for you, Karen.
Thank you.
Go get Mama. Go get her. Go get her.
Blow the whistle.
Oh. Woo. Look at the block. Oh my goodness.
Oh, a table. It's a little table with all your stuff.
Oh, nice.
Oh, Landon. Ambulance. All right. Save the best for last. It's an Apple Watch. Merry Christmas.
Oh, wait.
What?
There's one more
Oh, one more.
present.
There's one more. Yeah. Here. All right, you guys got one more present. Come on, kids. You guys go up front and I'll bring it around, okay?
Okay.
Bring the scissors.
Come on, Dustin.
Let's go.
All right, I'm gonna drive this around and the boys are gonna be so surprised.
You brought your toys with you?
You ready?
A whistle in the truck.
You sit down, please. Come right here.
Sit down. Come sit down, please.
Train.
Yeah. Say, all aboard.
Dump truck.
What color is it?
Orange.
Yeah.
What's the train's name?
Jackson, look.
Monster truck. Monster.
Hey guys.
What is that?
Yeah, you wanna get in? You wanna drive?
Fire truck.
Off? Okay, all right, I'm getting off.
Jackson, what is that?
Come on in, you gotta open. Oh, uh-oh.
Open the door.
Okay.
Just climb in. Just climb in.
Careful, kids. No. No, okay.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
Gotta push with your foot.
Oh, Landon, you okay?
Jackson, push with your foot. Push. Push, hold it down. Good job.
Is there no seatbelt in there? Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
This is awesome. You gotta hold it down. Yeah, there you go. Turn. Yeah, he learned. Karen, wow, he just learned how to drive it.
That's awesome.
Good job, Jackson.
It's a fire truck.
Fire truck. This is so awesome.
So cool.
I love it.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, Mama. I love you.
You did ready with the water good.
You get naughty? Yeah. He wants you to come here.
You gonna get me? You got me.
Get in the truck.
Thank you. Cold up there.
Oh, wait.
Car, Karen. Karen.
Oh, he turned. He was going head.
I don't think we're ever gonna get to go inside today because look at Jackson. We need to teach him safe road etiquette.
Oh, it's dying.
It's dying. Yo, fat butt. Get out. Are you pushing, Mommy? You wanna get in? Climb in. He was just pushing me. Come on, climb up. Sit down. You shut the door. It's safe to say Jackson is very happy today.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, so my sister came over and she brought me my last present. I don't know what it is, but why didn't you give it to me at the house? Forgot? I couldn't afford a present this year, so I got you this box. It can hide my ugly face. It's been a few hours. Oh, hey, Mama. Yeah, it's been a few hours. We played with the kids outside. The backyard is so awesome. It's such a happy place now, isn't it? Yeah, everyone gets so happy when they go out there, and the grass feels nice. Jackson went with Nani to Karen's sister's house.
Begged to go.
Yeah, begged to
Like,
go.
Cry,
Yeah.
screaming, crying.
I wanted him to stay here a little, but I'm glad he's having fun over there because Nani FaceTimed us, and they got this one present where it's just like a huge track for like toy cars, and Jackson is just like so into it. He didn't even talk to me on FaceTime for a little, but then he went back to toys. Landon's taking a nap, and I think we're gonna clean up this Christmas mess. You know, this is the only time of the year where Karen doesn't mind the house being like this.
With it. I could sit down on the couch and just like, this is how Christmas is supposed to look like. Look at this. We've got a pile of stuff here. Got all the piles over here. I put some of it away, yeah. I put some of it away, but all of this stuff, the playroom looks like this. It's just like, it's whatever. I think we'll leave it. We'll leave it like this until the end of the night, and then I'll clean it up. But this is what Christmas is supposed to look like, right?
Yeah.
No, it just feels right. It just feels right.
You know what else feels right?
What? Ow!
Sorry.
Pete. Okay, that's enough.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Hey. Okay, let's go put the Apple TV
There's
up.
no more.
Okay, good, good.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go hook up the new Apple TV that we got. Also, I got one for Khoa, and someone got one for me and Khoa for Christmas. Who? Your mom and Bill got us one.
Yeah.
So now we have two. Good thing we have two
It's empty.
TVs.
Not anymore.
Babe, come on, please.
Run.
Please, babe, please.
Run.
Okay, shoot it.
Run.
Shoot it. Okay. Stop. But also, look at this. Oh my god, it's just Christmas everywhere. Look, all the trash. It's just a bunch of crap everywhere. So we're just gonna lay here and enjoy the mess until the boys get home.
Good night.
Ow! Jackson just got back home. Did you have fun with Nani? Fun with Nani. He was playing Hot Wheels, which is like Landon's favorite toy in the world.
I think I already told them, right?
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I think we told you guys already.
You did?
I feel like they're here with us.
Great.
Karen, whenever you hold that camera, it's so wobbly.
It's so
let me
heavy.
See it. Here, let me
Taking
see
this
it.
thing off.
No, give it to me. Give it to me.
No, just let me take it off. The reason it's so heavy is because this monstrosity is on it. It's the biggest, most heaviest tripod there is on Earth, besides like a real tripod.
BTS.
Much better. So what was the last thing we vlogged before this? I can't remember. Ow!
Last thing we vlogged was you slapping me. Oh yeah, we're not putting that part in.
Oh, right.
Yeah. I shot you with a Nerf bullet.
You did in the finger.
And then you slapped me.
And I got mad. I didn't slap you.
She didn't slap me.
I didn't. I'm just joking. Khoa's breath smells like fish sauce because in Asian Christmas.
No, my mom just invited everyone from the restaurant, so they made Asian food. So I ate Asian food.
They always have Asian food on Christmas, though.
Baby.
What?
Asian people, Spanish people, Greek people, every kind of people, they cook their food on
Yeah,
holidays.
I guess you're right. What's a normal, like, Christmas dinner?
There's no normal Christmas dinner.
It's not like Thanksgiving?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's pretty normal. That's like standard, but then you need to add some flavor to it.
Yeah.
Right?
Add some fish sauce?
No, not fish sauce.
Your breath smells like fish sauce.
Your hand must be tired. Let me hold this for
No,
you.
this is good now.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can hold it like this.
Okay. Merry Christmas, guys. I feel
We're
like
just here having a conversation.
we're just hanging out with them. Just like,
What's that? Jackson's playing on his workbench. Oh, now he's gone to his tractor. Jackson, did you miss all your toys while you were gone? Toys?
He's so happy now. I mean, he was happy all day. He got a great day.
What did he say? Oh, ambulance.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Whoa, should we just leave the house a mess like this every day so you're always this content? You want mommy to sit down?
Mommy, sit down.
Okay.
Mom,
He wants me to sit on the ground.
Ambulance.
Anyway, so we just got back home and I just laid Landon down. He was exhausted. Like, exhausted.
Like me.
Like that. Yep. Christmas is always fun, but it's so exhausting. At 10 o'clock, I laid down for a nap. That's how tired I was.
Yeah, you took a nap this morning.
I know. I took a morning nap, you know.
Guys, thank you guys so much for spending your time with us. We love spending it with you guys, and I hope you guys had a great day. Hope you guys got everything you wished for. And
And don't worry, this isn't the end of the vlog. We got a cleaning montage coming up in 3,
yeah, we're just hanging out, getting sappy.
1. Cue it.
Oh, life ain't a ding dong. If I could take you up in boom boom boom, boom boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. would come true. And I think I'd my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Nice.
You did all of it.
Oh, you did the dishes in the garbage.
No. Oh, you just tweeted something.
I just retweeted your tweet. You like your Apple Watch?
Yeah, I love it.
I'm glad. I wasn't sure. Because I have one and I only use it like if I work out.
Yeah, you
Which
know,
hasn't been a lot lately.
I used to think these were pointless, like super pointless, these Apple Watches, but now that I'm playing with it, it's pretty useful.
You love
I don't have to have my phone any time. Well,
Yeah.
have my phone around me, but I don't have to be holding it, so it
Yeah.
feels good. Alright guys, but that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and we'll see you tomorrow.
In our next daily vlog.
Oh! We're on the end screen, Karen.
So cool.
This is awesome. Welcome to the end of the vlog, guys.
If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to click here to subscribe.
And follow us on our social media right here.
And if you need to catch up on some vlogs, click right here.
And leave some comments down below. I love reading the comments.
Woo!